There we go. Now we're seeing something. All right, Pro Cutters. Figured I'd do this video on how I do my Mavic Mini flights and what I choose to fly. Just waiting on a satellite requirement. There we go. All right, we'll go ahead and take off. And then I haven't given you an update video on the Silky Mountain Water Park, so we're going to go ahead and check that out. Get a little altitude here. I'm not going to go real high because we do have helicopters in the area. So I'm going to keep it rather low. Get a nice still shot of this. Now we'll go ahead and go up and fly around the park and see what's new. Now they did open this summer. I think it was kind of limited due to the COVID mess. So let's see all what they've got going on here. I've had several friends in the area that went. Looks like there's a lazy river there. And I've had several friends in the area, and I'm going to go ahead and come back down a little bit here. I'm at 200 feet, and like I said, I don't want to be that high just because the helicopters that are touring in the area right now. Looks like you got the kiddie area over here. Couple of big pools. Got some traffic there. You can see the other water park. This is the big wave pool. See, they've got everything winterized already. And I hear a little airplane now, but said I'm at 95 feet and I'm near these slides, so an airplane's not going to get anywhere near me. get a little bit of altitude here. Just enough to come over the top of these slides. And the key to making your footage look really nice is multiple functions going on at one time. Right now I'm going sideways and I'm rotating so I can come around these slides, and now I'm going to start reversing. And bring my camera up at the same time. And then I'm gonna, I didn't have my record on the whole time. Okay, good to know. Looks like we'll be just using the screen record on that. Let's go back in, turn the record on, and come back in, and we'll do it from this side. So now as I come straight in, then I can switch to sideways and add some twist. And then I'll add a little forward momentum into it and increase my twist. Let's see, now we're gonna come back over to where I'm at. And you can see me down there. And yeah, that's how I do my droning. So thought you guys might find that interesting. Whether you really do or not, I don't know. I guess we'll see what happens with the views. So then we're going to go ahead and do a manual landing. And that's that.